Hello and welcome to my free English course, Learn English from Zero. My name is Miss Ulfa and I will be your teacher. In this course, we will learn English step by step with simple lessons, clear explanations, and lots of practice. Perfect for complete beginners. And today is lesson 1, Greetings. Are you ready? Let's get started. Greetings are the first words we use when we meet people. We use them to say hello, to say goodbye, and to be polite. Let's learn the most important greetings in English. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hey. We use hello in any situation. We use hi with friends or family. And hey is very informal. We also have special greetings depending on the time. Good morning. Good morning. We say good morning before 12 p.m. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We say good afternoon from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Good evening. Good evening. We say good evening after 5 p.m. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. See you. See you. Good night. Good night. We use good night only at the end of the day, when someone is going to sleep. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Hey. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. Bye. See you. Good night. Thank you for watching Lesson 1 of Learn English from Zero. Don't forget to like and follow my page. See you in Lesson 2. Bye.